Paparating na, dumadagungdong at nag-iingay. Ang kapanapanabik at kamanghamanghang 2025 National Science, Technology and Innovation Week. November 18 to 21, 2025, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Hatid ang pinakabagong teknolohiya, produkto at inisyatiba ng pinakamalaking science, technology and innovation community. Sa temang Siyensya, Teknolohiya at Inobasyon, kabalikat sa matatag, maginhawa at panatag na kinabukasan. Building Smart and Sustainable Communities. Ang taunang pagdiriwang ay katatampukan ng mga natatanging SNT exhibits, SNT forums, bazaar, science quiz and contest, SNT talks, at marami pang iba na magaganap sa iba't ibang lugar sa Ilocos Norte. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, bisitahin ang NSTW website at NSTW Facebook page. Paparating na, dumadagungdong at nag-iingay. Ang kapanapanabik at kamanghamanghang 2025 National Science, Technology and Innovation Week. November 18 to 21, 2025, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Hatid ang pinakabagong teknolohiya, produkto at inisyatiba ng pinakamalaking science, technology and innovation community. Sa temang Siyensya, Teknolohiya at Inobasyon, kabalikat sa matatag, maginhawa at panatag.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Magsisimula po ang ating aktibidad pagkatapos ng ilang minuto. Dahil ang bansang may one time is always on time. Magsisimula po tayo eksaktong 9:40 a.m. Para makiisa sa one time at maging in sync sa Philippine Standard Time, bisitahin ang DOST Pag-asa website.
Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, bisitahin ang NSTW website at NSTW Facebook page. Paparating na, dumadagungdong at nag-iingay. Ang kapanapanabik at kamanghamanghang 2025 National Science, Technology and Innovation Week. November 18 to 21, 2025, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Hatid ang pinakabagong teknolohiya, produkto at inisyatiba ng pinakamalaking science, technology and innovation community. Sa temang Siyensya, Teknolohiya at Inobasyon, kabalikat sa matatag, maginhawa at panatag na kinabukasan. Building Smart and Sustainable Communities. Ang taunang pagdiriwang ay katatampukan ng mga natatanging SNT exhibits, SNT forums, bazaar, science quiz and contest, SNT talks, at marami pang iba na magaganap sa iba't ibang lugar sa Ilocos Norte. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, bisitahin ang NSTW website at NSTW Facebook page.
good morning to our distinguished participants and esteemed guests, as well as our colleagues from the DOST, SDII, and of course to our supportive unit heads and division chiefs joining us on site and online from across the Philippines.
R. David Lanke said, bad libraries build collections, good libraries build services, great libraries build communities. Indeed, your presence here today signifies our shared purpose to learn, to be inspired, and to continue growing both personally and professionally as a community.
On behalf of the STII Library Services team, led by our Division Chief, Mr. Alan Taule, and Head Librarian, Ma'am Linderlet Maglake, we extend our heartfelt appreciation to each of you for accepting our invitation and joining us in this meaningful event.
At this point, we would like to recognize the presence of our Undersecretary. We have Yusek Sahagon with us and Sir Rudy, our Division Chief. Of course, our keynote speaker who will be introduced later. So, it is with great honor and pleasure that we welcome you all to the celebration of the Library and Information Services Month 2025 with the theme, Lace Up Libraries, a hub for cultural exploration and unity through partnership. Paano na nga ba yung Lace Up, Ms.
Ayan, Ma'am
Grace?
Irene, ituturo natin sa atin pong mga on-site participant and guests this morning yung accompanying hand movement ni Lace Up na natutunan
Yes.
natin saan, Ma'am Irene?
Yes, sa NLP LISM opening
Yes.
din sa National Library of the Philippines.
Yes po. So ganito lamang po, ipopormam lamang natin ang ating kamay ng pa-L, and then when we say lace up. Okay po? Lace up. Okay po, in
Yan.
chorus, testing po muna tayo. In 1, 2, 3, lace
Lace
up. Okay.
Ay, ang
So,
galing-galing
ganun.
ah.
Sabay-sabay mga
Oo,
kaibigan.
sabay-sabay. Oh, hindi pala kailangan
Mabilis.
ng practice.
Okay po.
Oo nga.
Alright, so for
Ayan.
documentation lamang po, no? Ulitin po natin yung hand movement for this year's LISM, ang lace up in 1, 2, 3, lace up! Thank you so much po.
Yan.
This annual celebration, observed every November by virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 837, series of 1991, underscores the vital role of libraries and information centers in promoting access to knowledge, preserving cultural heritage, and fostering collaboration and unity among communities.
Once again, a warm welcome to everyone, and may today's gathering be a fruitful and inspiring experience for us all.
And with that, Ma'am Irene, to formally commence our program, may we request everybody to please rise for the singing of the national anthem, to be followed immediately by our invocation. Please remain standing.
na kami apumakno nga nibiyagan nindat mo. Idatanda kami bikan mangat na pinhod mo. Dawat milinggop hino aya tu problemi. He ay makiwada-wada kida kami. He ay makiwada-wada kida kami.
Ay makiwada-wada, ay makiwada-wada kida kami.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wal barakatuh. Salam pa mga kiaulungan sin Tuhan. Pianaugan niya Nabi Iban Quran. Kasilasan niya sa plag pakatilingkal alam. Maglasa kita niyo bat tumanan. Mbo Tuhan, tunggal nu sa sangdolan kami. Buwanin kami rijiki maglabi-labi. Lausangom rahmat nu subay pinurji. Hangkan kita bi subay magkasih-kasih.
Sa ngalan Pangurungan, pangutuyong Espiritong kalatagnon.
Pangurumon kang usalat, pangkalikupanan. Pangurumon kang pamirayan, at kang walay sikog balantang nga mapagululang. Pangurumon kang sinlakan, pangurumon kang apagatang, pangurumon kang asakwan, pangurumon kang suwadan. Pangurumon kang panguloy, pangirayon, pangitoan, pangitoy, wat kang walay sikog balantang nga makapululan.
Sa ngalan Pangurungan, pangutuyong Espiritong kalatagnon. Sa ngalan Pangurungan, pangutuyong Espiritong
Panginoon, dinggin mo kami.
O Diyos na mapagpala, hiling namin ang pagpapalaganap ng kaalaman sa bawat nilalang.
Panginoon, dinggin mo kami.
O Diyos ng awa, bigyan mo kami ng kakayahan sa pagtataguyod ng pakikipag-ugnayan sa bawat isa.
Panginoon, dinggin mo kami.
O Diyos na mapagkalinga, mangyaring ikaw ang pagpapaunlad ng kalikasan ng tao sa mundo.
Panginoon, dinggin mo kami.
O Diyos na pag-ibig, tulutan mo ang aming bansa ng pagkakaisa at pagkakaunawaan sa gitna ng pagkakaiba-iba.
Panginoon, dinggin mo kami. Panginoon, dinggin mo kami. Panginoon, dinggin mo kami. Sa ngalan Pangurungan, pangutuyong Espiritong kalatagnon. Mawaling kami lijiki, maglabi-labi. He
end. And as you also see it, let us also remember our fellow Filipinos who have been affected by Typhoon Tino and Typhoon Uwan.
At this point, allow us to introduce ourselves.
Ayan, I am Miss Irene Alice Brillo.
And I am Grace Ann Valondo, both Science Research Specialist too at the DOST Science and Technology Information Institute. And we are honored to be your Masters of Ceremony in today's program.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us now proceed with the first segment of our program.
And Mamarine, to officially open today's program, may we call on the Undersecretary for Scientific and Technical Services of the Department of Science and Technology, Ma'am Maridon O. Sahagun, who will deliver the opening remarks. Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you, Grace and Ann. Isang makaagham na umaga po sa ating lahat. Warm greetings to all my colleagues at the DOST STII, to all our library and information science professionals in attendance today, including those joining us online. And I extend my warm welcome and courtesies to our guest speaker, Honorable Lourdes T. David, a member of the Professional Regulatory Board for Librarians of the Professional Regulation Commission, and also to Attorney Cesar Gilbert Adriano, the Director of the National Library of the Philippines. Good morning. The Department of Science and Technology, through the Science Technology Information Institute, is pleased to join the nation in celebrating the 2025 Library Information and Services Month. This kickoff activity, which we are opening today, marks a special and significant event as we celebrate Laced Up. This occasion gives us time to pause and reflect on the timeless roles that libraries play, not only as repositories of knowledge, but as living, breathing hubs of connection, creativity, and culture. This year's theme, Lace Up, Libraries, a hub for cultural exploration and unity through partnerships, beautifully captures the evolving mission of our libraries. Lace Up speaks of binding together, weaving relationships, and moving forward in harmony. This means tying together stories, people, and ideas in a way that empowers individuals and communities alike. Media, exhibitions, and programs, and even all the other activities that libraries do, our libraries become spaces of cultural exploration, so visitors could journey through history, art, language, science, and tradition. At the same time, they foster creative partnerships that connect librarians with educators, artists, researchers, innovators, and the public through the wellspring of ideas and knowledge our libraries provide. In an age where information moves faster than ever, libraries remain steady and stable. A place where people from all walks of life can explore culture, exchange ideas, and experience unity. Whether it's a quiet reading corner, a digital database, a cultural exhibit, or a community program, the library stands as a bridge that connects generations, disciplines, and dreams. But the magic of libraries doesn't lie in books and publications alone. It lies in people. It lies in librarians and information professionals who open doors to discovery, who champion literacy and inclusivity, and who believe that learning is a lifelong journey. And it thrives on partnerships as well, with schools, with communities, local artists, scientists, professionals, and technology, all working together to make information accessible, relevant, and empowering. And as we lace up, let us commit to building together stronger collaborations, celebrating our diverse cultural heritage, and nurturing the unity that libraries inspire. Let us continue to make libraries the heart of our communities, where knowledge meets compassion and where exploration leads to understanding. May this celebration remind us all that libraries are not just places, they are movements. That information is not just power, it is a pathway to connection. And that partnership is not just strategy, it is a shared strength. So, happy 2025 Library and Information Services Month to everyone. Let's all lace up for learning, culture, and unity. Magandang umaga po at maraming salamat sa lahat.
Thank you very much, Secretary for Science and Technical Services, Ma'am Maridan Sahagun.
Yes, once again, thank you for setting the tone of our celebration and reminding us of the enduring significance of libraries in nation building.
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, please join us as we listen to the video message of Mr. Cesar Gilbert Adriano, Director of the National Library of the Philippines.
Isang mapayapang araw mula sa pambansang aklatan ng Pilipinas. Every November, we celebrate Library and Information Services Month. And this year, we are collectively conducting activities with the theme, Lace Up, Libraries, a Hub for Cultural Exploration and Unity Through Partnership. The NLP is in solidarity with the DOST Science and Technology Information Institute's opening ceremony for the LISM 2025 today. Our partnership over the years is truly invaluable, and we thank DOST STII for the continued support and collaborative vision in our projects and programs that benefit our students, teachers, librarians, school personnel, leaders, researchers, and many more. We are excited to lace up with you as we explore culture, science and technology, and innovate our services for public, academic, and special libraries and learning centers. This month, we anticipate DOST STII's amplification of information literacy in our community through knowledge-filled seminars on digital services, cultural stories, privacy awareness, gender equality, artificial intelligence, and other timely topics. So on behalf of the National Library, I acknowledge the role of DOST STII in actively participating in the LIS Month and positively engaging in the minds of our library stakeholders in line with our core values of preserving and promoting the Filipino culture and heritage. From the National Library of the Philippines, we wish you a joyful and meaningful celebration of the 35th Library and Information Services Month. Good morning.
Thank you very much, Director Adriano, for your continuous support and for inspiring our library community to innovate, collaborate, and serve with passion and purpose.
We are also privileged to have with us a distinguished guest
Yes.
who will also share valuable insights aligned with this year's LIS Month theme. Miss Irene, ipakilala na natin.
Yes, okay. So, our resource speaker, Honorable Lourdes T. David, a distinguished leader in Philippine librarianship, began her career after earning an MSLS from the University of the Philippines, Diliman in 1985. Her professional journey includes faculty service in chemistry at UP Los Baños, research assistantship at UP Main Library, and librarian roles at UP Diliman, where she oversaw multiple unit libraries, culminating in her leadership of the College of Science Library. She served as Assistant Director for Information at Simeo Regional Center for Science, Mathematics Education in Malaysia, Director of Ateneo de Manila's Rizal Library, and as a member of the PRC Board for Librarians since 2023. She's also the General Manager of the Continuing Professional Development of the Project Management Committee of the Professional Regulation Commission, a published researcher and consultant for local and international agencies. She is also active in outreach initiatives. Her exemplary leadership and dedication have significantly advanced the library profession in the Philippines, earning her multiple awards and widespread recognition.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our keynote speaker, Honorable Lourdes D. David of the PRC Board for Librarians. Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you for that very generous introduction. Ms. Maridon O. Sahagun, Undersecretary for Scientific and Technical Services, Department of Science and Technology. Mr. Rodolfo de Guzman, Chief of the Communications, Resource and Publication Division. Okay. Publication, Production Division. Okay. And other colleagues in librarianship, officials and staff of DOST, and I think we also have visitors from outside. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm supposed to give the keynote address for Lace Up Libraries, a hub for cultural exploration and unity through partnership. However, since this is DOST, I chose to talk about science librarianship. It is part of our culture, and DOST is playing a very significant role in the development of S&T in our country. Okay? So, wag ninyong isipin yung lace up kasi kasama rin naman yun doon. Okay. Ito po, ang pag-uusapan natin ay trends in science librarianship. And I'm very glad that I came in early because I was given a privileged tour, nag-iisa lang ako, of the STII library. And you will notice that in my talk, a lot of what I'm going to say is already being planned and being done by the STII. Hindi po tayo nahuhuli. Nag-iintay na lang po tayo ng equipment. Nag-iintay na lang po tayo ng gagawa pa ng inyong mga plano. And I am very happy to say that you are right on the spot where we are supposed to develop. No? You hit it right on the nail head. Okay. So, first let me talk about what is happening in libraries in 2025. That is this year. We are dynamic institutions. We are no longer focused on print. No? We are addressing individuals, we are addressing communities, and we are taking a look at their needs. Katulad nga ng sinabi kanina, di ba? Kaya pati cultural heritage nandiyan na. And we provide cutting-edge technology to foster creativity. Here in your library, you have maker spaces. Kulang na lang kayo wala kayong 3D printer. No? Wala kayong mga laser cutter. But you are going there. Iniintay na lang ninyo na mabili yun. But the expertise is already here. So, we are offering already maker spaces, social services. Why? Because you conduct a lot of workshops for students. You teach them. And you promote environmental sustainability. And part of the social services is your room. Nakikita ba ninyo yung room ninyo for children, for babies, no? For mothers who breastfeed their children? That is your social services part. What else? Modern uses of libraries in 2025. One, digital resource hubs. Nakita ko yung ginagawa ninyo. Nag-i-scan kayo. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Eventually, when you build enough e-resources, you will be a digital resource hub in science and technology. Okay? So, papunta na kayo doon. Meron kayong maker spaces. Meron kayong innovation labs. Meron kayong community health and wellness centers, yung room ninyo for mothers. Meron kayong educational and skill building workshops. It's here in your program. Okay? You have cultural and artistic events. Kasama yon. So, ang galing ng library niyo. You are already in 2025. Hindi kayo nahuuli. You have collaborative workspaces. You have access to technology and digital literacy training. Archival and preservation services. Nakita ko rin yon. You have social service and community support. Ang dami niyong iniimbitahan para pumunta dito. And one of my tasks now is to invite people to come over and benchmark. Okay? You have environmental sustainability initiatives. Kasi DOST nga kayo. I am really very happy because I used to be a consultant here during DOST-ESEP. Matanda na ako. Matagal ng panahon yon. Wala na yung mga kasama ko. Nag-retire na lahat. Okay? But I was here when we were doing DOST-ESEP project in the 1990s pa yata yun, ano? 1990s. Oo. So as you can see, you are in. In na in kayo sa 2025. Umabot na kayo kaagad doon. So what is science librarianship? Librarianship that is supporting science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. I am a science librarian, or I was a science librarian, because my basic degree is in food technology, and my master's degree na hindi ko po tinapos kasi nag-masters ako ng pag-aasawa. It's supposed to be a master's in food science and chemistry. Okay. Hindi nga po ako kumuha ng licensure eh. Sayang. But I qualified as a science librarian because of my science background. Okay? So in a sense, it is a type of special librarianship. But at DOST-STII, you are not only a special library, but you are also a public library. Because people are free to come over and make use of your facilities. At the same time, you are also an archive. Because yung archives ninyo, yung mga DOST publication, yung mga thesis ng mga scholars, ay nandito. Okay? Okay. So what are the key trends in science librarianship. Kanina, ang sinabi ko yun, 2025 trends, no? Okay. So, thank you. The shift from print collections to services to digital. Yung mga ginagawa ninyo dito, eventually, you have to put in a repository. So that, thank you, so that people outside the library will be able to access. No? It is your mandate to provide access to science and technology information to our citizens. Okay? So, we have also embedded and liaison librarianship in STM. What does this mean? Librarians usually stay in the library. But when we say embedded and liaison librarianship, this means that the librarian works with the faculty. In your case, works with the scientists. They work with them, they provide the materials to them, they are involved in the research in science and technology. You have to explore that. You have to be very good in S&T so that you can work with and conduct research and publish along with the scientists in the OST. Okay? You have open access, open data, scholarly communication. Actually, this one is a movement to be more open, no? To be more open in accessing, publishing your research outputs. Why? Because the commercial ones are very expensive. So the movement is to move towards commercial to open access. And I also heard earlier on that you are moving towards that open access to your publications. Para hindi na po magbayad yung ating mga kababayan if they want to access all our publications in S&T. Okay? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and enhanced discovery. Are you using ChatGPT? Are you using Copilot? There are so many degenerative AI now that you can use, no? It's not bad to use ChatGPT. Huwag mo lang kopyahin lahat. At saka, i-check mo, tama ba? Baka mamaya hindi. No? So, the backbone of my presentation is partly AI. Just to inform you or just to show you that librarians can use AI. Educators can use AI. Pero palitan mo. Ayusin mo to suit your audience. Okay? And para hindi ka naman masabihang plagiarism ang ginagawa mo. Okay. What about spaces, environments, collaboration and study, research experience? Ginagawa ninyo. No? Meron kayong maker spaces. Skills and professional development. Ayan. Kailangan nyo ng bagong competencies. Collaboration, consortia, and shared services? Definitely. Diversity, equity, inclusion, and globalization. Again, you are open to the public. Okay. Let's go over this one by one. Okay. Digitization of materials. Nakita ko yung mga ginagawa niyo, pati yung unang-unang issue ng journal ninyo, Philippine Science, no? Andun yun. At the same time, hindi lang ninyo dinigitize, pine-preserve, which is very good. Okay? Collection development of electronic resources. Okay din naman yan na bumili Pero since you are DOST, you should focus on what you have, and so that you can give it out to the world. Kasi ang ating kasalanan sa Pilipinas, ewan ko kung anong practice yun dati, pagka product natin, tinatago natin, mga thesis natin, hindi natin pinapalabas, kasi baka daw masira. Sayang naman yung ideya. Sayang naman yung resulta nung ginawa natin. So this time, DOST really should digitize, put everything in the repository, and show the world how good we are. But be careful. Those that can be used for industry, kailangan ninyong i-patent muna bago ninyo ilabas. No? Why? Pag nilabas na ninyo yan sa internet, public na yan. So ano mangyayari? Pwedeng kopyahin, pwedeng nakawin ng patent. Okay? I'm saying this out of experience. Are you familiar with the counting fishes na ginawa ng UP? Diba? They went under the sea, para hindi mo na isa-isang bibilangin yung isda, they developed a software. O, yung fish eye. Okay. That is the work of my daughter. Kaya alam na alam ko yun. Ninakaw ang patent nila. And it took them 2 years to get back their patent. Kasi na-publish eh. Ninakaw sa Google. Kinuha ng iba, final ang patent, nakuha yung patent. Nung malaman nila, they had to fight for it to get the patent back. Nanalo sila. Kasi unang-una silang nag-apply for the patent. No? So you be careful. If your research can be patented, apply ninyo agad para wag manakaw. Okay? Now, you have also RMI services, data curation, metadata curation, preservation, and access. Ito na yung mga kapit cataloging natin, ito na yung mga Dublin core na ginagawa natin. And for the communication division, sila rin ang importante dito kasi sila rin ang magpapalabas sa mga tao na ito yung nangyayari, ito yung ating ginagawa. Okay? And you have infrastructure needs. Kagaya ng sinabi ninyo, ma'am, wala pa po yung equipment. But it is coming. Okay? So, kaya ako tuwan-tuwa kasi nung tinuturo mo ako kanina, sabi ko, ito na yun. Hindi na tayo nahuhuli. According to one article in the Journal of Geology, the current trend toward a digital environment affects all areas of librarianship, including collection development, current awareness, reference, instruction, preservation, dissemination of information in the science domain. And you have all of that. Okay? You have all of that. Meron lang kayong kulang. Mamaya, makikita nyo. What is the implication? Yan. You have to develop skills. Train ng train ng train. Continuing professional development in data curation, metadata, digital preservation, repository management na hindi pa ninyo ginagawa. Gagawin pa lang. Collaborate with your IT, research offices, and scientists so that you can design services for them. Okay? And so, therefore, continuing professional development and lifelong learning is implied here, as well as specialization. You must not limit your training to librarianship. Train also in S&T para naiintindihan ninyo kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Train also in communication so that you can impart to others what you are doing. Okay? STII, assignment ninyo to. Can put together competencies and practice outcomes that science librarians must acquire. Ito na yung career progression and specialization. Okay? Kasi specialized kayo masyado. So mag-develop kayo ng isang curriculum ngayon for science librarianship. Career progression and specialization in science librarianship. Okay? Submit ninyo sa PRC para maiayos namin with civil service, yung mga sweldo, yung mga ranking, yung mga promotion. Isasama natin yan. Okay? And STIS should provide training on these skills. Pag na-train na kayo, kayo naman ang magiging trainers. Okay? What are the challenges? The increased use of generative AI like ChatGPT and other AI tools like Elicit, Semantic Scholar, Scite, and Copilot for GitHub for literature searching, summarization, and programming tool requires librarians to raise awareness among students. Okay? So part of what you are going to conduct na training is use of generative AI, including yung mga bawal, including yung mga limitations, okay? Ethical issues and environmental impact. Okay. Ano pa? Pera. Because you need money for training, for your skills gap. Example, kailangan marunong din kayo ng chemistry, marunong din kayo ng physics, marunong din kayo ng ganon, to enable you to work with your scientists. Okay? And communication, don't forget that. So you need funding. Sana palaging mabait yung director, sana palaging mabait yung secretary at undersecretary. Para nang sa ganon, lagi kayong may pera. Okay? It's important po kasi dahil ang science and technology ang kailangan ng bansa. Kailangan manguna siya talaga eh. Kahit na ano pa sabihin ng NEDA, kung hindi naman tayo sufficient sa S&T natin, wala rin. Embedded and liaison librarianship in STEM. Ito na po yun. Huwag na po kayong magkulong sa library, yung ating mga librarians. Makipag-usap po kayo, makihalubilo po kayo sa lahat ng mga researchers, scientists na nandito so that you will know their needs. You will know how you can help them. Ito lang po yun, ang ibig sabihin ng embedded. Work with them. Don't isolate yourself. Okay? So that you can work directly with them. As participants, as participants in the committees, in research grant, and also you will be able to make your own project proposals. Okay? What else? You have to be proactive. You have to be proactive from library-centric to research-centric. Know their needs. Meron akong article noon na sinulat tungkol dyan, published in a Scopus Index Journal, na talagang the librarian should already go to them, embed in them, no? Para magkaroon ka ng magandang response from the faculty. And the challenges are strong subject knowledge, and you need specialization sometimes so that you can be research-centric. Okay? Open access. Data security, scholarly communication. Yan ngayon ang ginagawa ninyo. Once you are able to build your repository, that will be an open access resource for the entire Philippines and for the world. Okay? Huwag ninyong isasama sa commercial publication because the movement now is open access so that everybody can make use of the information. Okay? And the practice of open pedagogy requires students to make use of open access publications for their research so that they can also contribute to the open access movement. Okay? Magtutuloy-tuloy na daw po yan eh. Yun ang prediction nila. Kasi masyado ng pamahal yung mga binibili natin na databases. Oo. And pag chinek naman po ninyo, yung mga nag-publish naman are well-known scientists. Hindi lang basta-basta na kung sino lang na nag-publish. It is also peer-reviewed. Okay. So yan na po yung tinatawag nating open science. Yan na po talaga ngayon. Open science. It's not necessary na maging peer-reviewed siya, mapunta siya sa Scopus. Ang importante po, accessible. Accessible. Okay? So, the key outcome is reproducibility. Because if it's open access, you can look at it, you can test it, you can reproduce the results, then that becomes very, very important to S&T. Pag hindi po reproducible, hindi magandang research. Okay. So, open scholarship now is gaining momentum and libraries are facing calls to expand their roles beyond technical support. Hindi na lang po tayo cataloger. Tayo po ay researcher. Okay? Yan. So, we have to advocate OA journals. Alam naman ninyo yung DOAJ. Maraming bumagsak sa exam, hindi alam ang DOAJ. Oo. Directory of Open Access Journal. DOAB. Books. So, I was really very, sad. Hindi nila alam ang DOAJ, hindi tinuro sa kanila ang DOAJ. Kasi hindi siya commercial. Ang alam nila, EBSCO. Okay? So, dapat, we make use of open access journals. Yan. Ang dami, di ba? Even college and research librarian, yung journal, open access yun eh. Okay, so eto na yan, kailangan yung, ano ba naman? Yan, ayaw niya sa akin. Kailangan itong repository ninyo, magawa na ninyo as soon as possible para maging available na. And you can do also your citation analysis for impact. Okay? So, isa na namang assignment ko yan sa inyo. Mag-citation analysis kayo ng publications ninyo. What do I mean? Trace ninyo yung mga authors, ilang beses sila nasa-cite, ilang beses din sila nagsa-cite. Yun. So, the more number of times you are cited, that means the more useful your publication is. Okay? So, 2 assignments na ha. Okay. Again, you become central to the research in S&T, not just post-publication na walang gumagamit. Kailangan, gagawin ninyo yun, pero may gagamit. Kaya available siya as a repository. Walang bayad. Okay? Yan. Challenges, budget. Mahirap mag-digitize. Mahirap gumamit ng software para maging repository siya. But this is the OST. Kaya nyo yan. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung sinasabi ko. Kita niyo ito. Alam ba niyo yung CHED standard? Sabi sa CHED, they are not looking at open access publications as part of the library collection. So in other words, kahit na ang dami-dami mong dinownload na link, sabi ng CHED, you are still not compliant. We have to fight that. We are actually looking at it right now and we will recommend for a change doon. Naka-specify po eh. Hindi pwedeng isama yung mga nasa DOAJ. It has to be bought. Why? Wala na nga tayong pera. We still have to buy. So we are fighting that, and hopefully the next issue of the CHED standard will be different. Okay? Yan. Advances in AI. Marami nagsasabi, wag gumamit ng AI. Bakit wag? Pinapadali po ang trabaho natin. Pag gumamit kayo ng AI, mas mabilis ang trabaho. Pero gamitin po natin yung ating isip. Kung tama po siya, kung mali po siya, bakit? AI is also dependent on publications available na open access. So we have to examine the results of the AI. Pero like for example, Grammarly, hindi mo na iisa-isahin eh. Ano ba yung mali ko dito? Gamitin mo lang ang Grammarly, ayusin na niya kung ano yung mali mo sa English mo. Okay? Even the very small na icon doon sa baba ng word, you can click on that, check na rin niya yung grammar mo. So use AI. And our job as librarians is to teach our clients how to use AI. In other words, we should be the first to know how to use AI so we can teach it to our clients. Okay? Sino gumagamit ng ChatGPT? Copilot. Mas bago yung Copilot eh. Grammarly. Oh, yan. And all the others that we have to train them on its use, but with precautions. No? Pag gumagawa kayo ng request for RIP, pagka gumagawa kayo ng ganon, ang dali-daling gamitin ng ChatGPT, lagay mo lang doon, ano yung specifications, ano yung ganon, lalabas na niya kaagad lahat yun. Kaya lang, minsan, pag ginamit mo, for example, Copilot, magsasummarize ka, ano? Mali ang kanyang addition. You have to check. Medyo sablay siya sa mathematics. So you have to check. Okay. And this requires tools for text, data mining, semantic search, recommendations, etc. So yun ang kanyang kailangan gawin. Automation of cataloging. Sino sa inyo ang hindi gumagamit ng copy cataloging? Lahat kayo gumagamit? Oo. Kasi no minsan, mayroon akong library binisit. Why are you doing original cataloging? Sabi ko. Kasi daw yung head librarian, ang sabi, sayang naman yung pinag-aralan mo pag hindi mo gagamitin. That's bad. If you can make your work easier faster. And you know naman, you don't copy everything. Okay. So yan, automation of cataloging, metadata extraction. What are the data sets that you use? Dublin Core, virtual assistants, meron na ba kayo? Wala pa kayong virtual assistant? Gawa kayo ng virtual assistant para kahit na walang tao sa library, may sasagot. Okay? Chatbots. Chatbots. Oo. Magawa kayo ng chatbot. Para pagkagabi, tulog kayong lahat, may assistant kayo nagising. Tagasagot ninyo. Okay? And you have to have analytics also. Marunong kayong dapat nun. Okay? What else? You have to be conversant with AI. You have to partner with your researchers. You have to design services for them. Ano yung challenges? Ethical issues. Plagiarism. Okay? Budget na naman. And again, emphasize ko, kasi ako yung general manager ng CPD, it is important. Continue learning. Continue learning. Okay, ayan na. Kayang-kaya ninyo. Meron kayo niyan. No? And you made it very attractive. Kasi meron kayong color combination talaga. No? Na you're keeping. Meron kayong blue, red, white. Oo. Yun. So, alam na nila, DOST yun, pag nakita nila yun. Okay? So, you provide spaces to support collaboration, yung maker spaces ninyo, data visual. Kailangan meron kayong ano rin, yung IR at saka yung AR. May plano rin ba kayo doon? Yun, AR at saka IR. Oh, yun. Okay. So, your key facets will be flexible, multi-purpose, physical spaces. Okay, yun na lang. Wala pa akong nakita nung ganun, pero meron kayo nung maker spaces, no? Digital environments, digital visualization rooms, and to support your research workflows, you must have writing centers, train in communications so that you can write the results of your research. Gagawa kayo ng mga marketing ninyo, kasama yun lahat doon. Okay. Mas collaborate. Ang key dito, ang ating keyword talaga is collaboration. Okay? Challenges? Kulang pa ba yung space ninyo? O happy na kayo doon? Hindi pa raw. Gusto pa nila ng space. Okay. So, yun ang impact ng space. Ang laki naman ng DOST eh. Baka naman sakaling mayroong panlugar. And some libraries still want quiet. So, lagi kayo mag-provide ng quiet area. Sa Japan, nakahiwalay talaga yun eh. Talagang nakasil ng, tawag dito, salamin, yung quiet. Wala talagang ingay doon. Kasi the rest of the library can be noisy eh. Diba? But there are people who like quiet. So, mag-provide kayo nun. Okay. 6. Professional development. Yan. Data literacy, digital scholarship, subject knowledge, research metrics. In other words, ang dami-dami pa pong pag-aaralan. Ang dami na niyong nagawa, pero yung sarili ninyo, i-assess ninyo. Ano ang wala pa sa inyo? Anong kulang ninyo? Yun ang pag-aralan ninyo. So your head should make a list of competencies necessary, of the name of the staff. kung sino magte-train. Katulad ng MARM, may nag-train na, di ba? Okay. So, okay na okay yon. So, maghanap pa kayo ng kulang kayo. Palagay ko, more on IT. Okay? And, yan. Kasi pagka alam na ninyo yun, subject, pwede na kayong makipag-work. Okay. Eto na. Right now, what we are using is the BLIS curriculum that was developed many years ago. So, out of ano na yon, hindi na po siya current. And we're working on the new BLIS curriculum. Nire-revise namin yon. And we're also going on the new MLIS curriculum. Ang proposal namin kasi sa MLIS, meron na siyang specialization. Para kung gusto nyo mag-specialize sa archives, gusto nyo mag-specialize sa IT, meron na siya. Hindi katulad ngayon, ang UP lang ang may ganun po. Ang iba pong schools, wala. General lang ang MLIS. So we're proposing that. However, the long process from development to CHED approval is hindering the use of an appropriate curriculum to incorporate needed change. Sometimes 5 years. O di obsolete na ulit. Totoo yan. So kailangan po every so many years magpapalit tayo para bago ng bago ang ating curriculum. Okay. Kasi alam na naman ninyo kung anong kulang natin, di ba? More of IT sa ating curriculum. And then, yan. Collaboration, consortia, and shared services. Sino po ang kakolaborate ninyo? National Library? Ano pa? Meron naman, marami naman. Yun ang ating trend kasi ngayon. We have to share so that medyo tipid tayo sa subscription. And yung atin po kasing mga binibili masyado pong mahal, kaya dapat ho mag-share tayo ng ating mga facilities, expertise, and resources. Sorry po. Kagagaling ko lang po sa flu. Buti magaling na ako. Isang buwan. Hirap na hirap ako. 1 month. And with this, magiging talagang very ready na po ang ating DOST, STII for to be the leader in SNT in the country. You must be adept at collaboration, negotiation, proposals, the need for cooperation, for sharing, and saving on subscription costs. So anong problem? Governance. We build, kagaya po ng DOST-SF. Ang ganda ng DOST-SF, wala na pong pondo, wala na rin po siya. So sayang naman. Yung inyong electronic library, pag nawala ng pondo, wala na rin po. So very important po talaga ang kung sino ang responsible para matuloy-tuloy po ang ating project. And it has to be you. It has to be DOST. Okay. And then, ito, hindi po naman siya talagang SNT. At hindi po naman siya talagang masyadong tayo ay public library. Pero we offer to the public, and therefore, this will also apply. Diversity, equity, and inclusion. Meaning, mahirap man, mayaman man, Hindi ko naman siguro bata, matanda, high school, college, lahat po tinatanggap natin dito. So, okay po kayo dito. And we serve diverse clientele, no? Plus, dapat po ang collection din, inclusive, hindi bias sa isang area. Hindi puro physics, hindi puro biology. Kailangan po ay ayos siya, balance na balance. Okay? Yan. You have to design inclusive services. Meron po rin tayo dapat for the blind. Meron ba kayo? Okay. For the blind, mas maganda po, imbis na braille, papakinggan na lang. Oo. Audio na lang po. Yan. Meron din po kayo pagka-pilay, malalaki yung kanilang workstations. Okay. And you have language barriers. So if you will collect also Cebuano, Ilocano, Ilonggo, yun po, Kapampangan, dapat po meron din kayong for translation services if necessary. Okay. What is the future? Greater integration into the research life cycle. So, hindi na po tayo magkukulong sa library. We will be working with researchers and scientists. It will be a hub for digital scholarship, data-driven science and collaboration, increasing convergence of IT, library, and research offices. So from library services to research data services. Okay. Evolving definition of collections, no? Kasama po ang datasets, software, protocols. I notice nga ho pala na meron kayong CD-ROOMs. Okay po yun. Don't just put everything on the cloud. Have a backup. And the CD-ROOM, kahit na past technology, is a very good backup. Kasi po, pag nag-crash ang server, meron kayong CD-ROOM. Hindi lang po dapat na, anong tawag dito, yung ating mga ginagamit na backup for our computers. Maganda po ang CD-ROOM kasi matagal ang buhay niya, basta meron kayong reader. I just came back from Taiwan, nakita ko doon, ang isang library, puro CD-ROOM. Tinanong ko bakit. Samantalang tayo, nagtatapon Sa Pilipinas, tinatapon ng CD-ROOM No? Kasi daw, yun nga, it has a longer life. Just make sure you have something to read it. No? Ano ito? Library ito, fine arts, music, ano pa ba? Kasi it's for the arts yung library na binisita ko. Yun ang talagang isang buong kwarto. Puro CD-ROOM yun. So nakita ko yun kanina, natuwa naman din ako na hindi lang kayo sa server kasi the server may crash. Even the cloud may crash. So maganda yung may backup kayong physical. Okay? So data reuse is important. Collaboration networks, staffing models, and career pathways for librarians. I'm sure that some of you want to have science background also. No? Siguro biology, zoology, botany, or something, no? Yun. And you have data privacy, AI bias, open access, sustainability, focus on user-centered design, open access and equitable publishing, open science, and reprodu dapat, civility. So yung user-centered design ang isa sa mga pinaka-importante. Look at your users. Give them what they need. So implications, budget, skills, impact demonstration. Magtatanong, ano naman ang value ng ginagawa mo? It's very difficult to measure. Sa college, madali. Tumataas po ang research ng bata. Tumataas ang research ng faculty. Dito, actually, dapat ganun din ng inyong researchers. Building the culture gap, sustainability of digital resources, preservation, okay, partnership, staff skills development, re-envisioning the collection, designing embedded services, enhancing discovery and access, focusing on user experience, and adopting metrics and evaluation, inclusivity, change, sustainability. And I am glad to say that nakita ko na nandun kayo. Tuloy lang po. Yan. It is evolving rapidly. Keep on training. No? Keep on training. Be a partner. Embrace key trends identified. Success will depend on continuing professional development and of course, pera po. Kahit na ang galing-galing po ninyo, kung wala po kayong pera at hindi kayo makakabili ng kailangan, bali wala rin po. Okay? Yan na po ang ating mga references. And as you can see, sinali ko po dyan ng ChatGPT kasi ginamit ko rin po siya. Okay? So, lahat po yan. Ang mga ating is from 2020 lang po ang pinakaluma hanggang latest po ang mga references. So, keep on learning, keep on building networks, lace up pa rin, kasi makikipag-cooperate kayo sa iba, collaborate kayo sa iba, and bear always in mind that you are the institution responsible for the development of science and technology in the Philippines, and you are the institution responsible for showing other countries that we are also good in science and technology. Marami pong salamat.
For your inspiring message and for reaffirming the vital role of the DOST-STI Library in advancing science librarianship. And we look forward to your guidance in developing the competencies for career progression of special librarians across the nation. Ang laking challenge yun sa atin. No?
Marami tayong assignment, Ma'am Irene. Nandun yung mag-advocate tayo ng science, librarianship, at yung citation analysis.
Citation analysis, sila Sir Rudy na yun.
Ayan.
Sila yun. Sila yung citation analysis.
Yes, so,
mas maganda. Para hati-hati tayo sa trabaho, di ba?
Okay. And we are taking note of those assignments now coming from Ma'am Lou David.
Yes,
and we will do our best to continue our initiatives and strengthen our partnership with the scientists and experts in the science and technology field with the support of our management and officials.
Yes.
Buti na lang andito si Yusek Sahagun, Ma'am Irene, who is consistently...
May narinig na talaga. Intentional.
Yes po. Buti na lang na-invite talaga natin si Yusek, no?
Yes.
Who is consistently supporting and championing us in our endeavors at alam naman namin po na patuloy niyo po kaming susuportahan.
Yes. So to show our appreciation, Ma'am Lou, may we call on Yusek Sahagon and Sir Rudy, the Chief of the Creative Resources and Production Division, to hand over our Certificate of Appreciation and our Simple Token. Ayan, so the certificate reads, Department of Science and Technology, Science and Technology Information Institute presents this Certificate of Appreciation to Honorable Lourdes T. David for serving as keynote speaker at the 35th Library and Information Services Month with the theme Lace Up, Libraries, a Hub for Cultural Exploration and Unity through Partnership, held on 11 to 14 of November 2025 at the DOST STII Mini Theater and live stream via Facebook Live. Thank you so much po.
Yes, let us all give a warm of applause to our speaker, keynote speaker, Honorable Lourdes T. David. Thank you so much po, Yusek Sahagun and Sir Rudy.
Yan. Okay, so now, Ms. Grace, today is the formal opening ceremonies of our LIS month celebration. And we have already started, actually, our online contest earlier on, no?
Yes, Miss Irene. These contests include, ipa-flash po natin sa screen.
Yes.
Nangunguna na po dyan ang ating Library TikTok Testimonial Challenge sa mga mahilig pong mag-TikTok, Miss Irene, no?
Oh, yes. Oo.
At meron din tayo, Ma'am Irene, Library Moments, Snap, and Caption. Ito po yung magti-take sila ng picture sa library and lalagyan nila ng caption.
Caption, yes. Totoo yun. And meron din tayong My Day at the DOST STI Library TikTok Challenge. So, ito yung mga bumisita sa atin, ano? Tapos, binideo nila kung ano yung ginagawa nila.
Nagpaka-vloggers sila for a day.
Yes,
yun po yung
for
mga
a
entry
day.
na natanggap namin. At panghuli po yung Bookspine Poetry Contest na marami kaming na-receive na entries.
Oo. And last night at 11:59, so almost midnight na, no? We officially closed the reactions. So for those who have joined our online contest, yung mga nakikinig sa atin, nanonood sa atin sa Facebook Live, stay tuned. So you will be notified in case you win the contest.
Of course, Miss Irene, we also prepared exciting activities for this week.
Yeah.
There will be simultaneous activities happening on-site and online.
Yes, indeed, Miss Grace. So excited na ba kayo?
Yes po. Ako sasagot, Ma'am Irene. Excited na ako talaga.
Yes. So this afternoon, we will start our hybrid session on the topic, the future of memory, safeguarding our digital heritage. Ayan.
And for our topic number 2, Ma'am Irene, the
Yes.
quiet radicalism of libraries as civic infrastructures.
Yes, topic 3 would be the role of libraries in facilitating digital cultural storytelling.
And
Exciting
we have
ito.
topic number 4, balancing access and privacy, upholding the right to information in the digital age.
So this covers 2 topics, Ms. Grace. Topic 1 would be meeting the information needs and respecting the right to information privacy, a balancing act, and privacy by design.
And ang ating topic number 5, libraries as empowerment spaces, advancing gender equality through knowledge access.
Finally, for topic number 6, we have Archive AI for archiving and analysis of cultural heritage objects.
And mind you, our audiences and online participants po, no, ang atin pong mga inimbitahang speakers ay nagbibigatan.
Yes,
No? Magagaling
mga
on their field.
bigatin.
Yes. And tomorrow, simultaneous with our hybrid session, we will also be having on-site learning session with the following.
So we have workshop on research design framework. 2 batch po yan. 1 batch in the morning and 1 batch in the afternoon.
And for our session number 4, workshop on research design framework.
Ayan.
Naulit lang din
Naulit
pala.
pala. Yes,
For
that's the
session-
second, yes.
Oo, para lang
Yes.
po yung recall, okay? For
ah.
session number 5 is storytelling, puppet show, and arts and crafts.
Ayan, so sa mga kasama natin sa DOST STII, we invite you to bring your kids with you to
Yes.
join us during the storytelling session.
Opo.
Ayan.
At sa session number 6, introduction to robotics.
Ayan, sa mga kasama natin na nag-sign up for robotics, magdala po kayo ng laptop ninyo para mas makuha and anong tawag doon? Yung deeper, yung learning na makuha natin during the workshop.
Yes, at inaasahan po natin ang pag-agree ng ating kapartner, yung Science Star, na
Yes.
sana
Oo.
mag-agree sila sa schedule for Friday kasi
Yes.
sila po yung magpa-provide or magfa-facilitate ng session number 1 supposedly. Session number 1 and 2 today.
Oo nga. And Miss Grace, speaking of which, we are very fortunate that the National Library of the Philippines partnered with us for the storytelling puppet show and arts and crafts activities happening on November 13, 2025. Ayan.
Okay, and isn't this fascinating, Miss Irene?
Yeah.
It is. Kaya naman we'll be having the NLP Cuentistas at the house sa Thursday morning. And these activities are sure to spark creativity, imagination, and fun for everyone.
And the excitement doesn't stop there. We will also be having the DOST STI Library Quest, a scavenger hunt, ayan, on Friday. So this is a team activity. So if you want to join us, scan the QR code and enlist. Sa mga kasama natin sa STII, pwede kayong mag-join doon. Siyempre, dahil contest yon, Miss Grace, May.
Siyempre, may papremyo kaya sasali talaga.
Yes,
no? Baka
may
sakaling
papremyo.
sumali.
Ayan.
Okay. Ito po, ang first prize will get 5,000 pesos worth of GC.
Second prize is 4,000 worth of GC.
And the third prize, hindi na rin po masama, 3,000 pesos worth of GC.
Plus, Certificate of Recognition and DOST STI souvenir item.
And the announcement of winners for all our contests will be on Friday during the Clients Appreciation Program in the afternoon.
Yes, so ano pa inaantay nyo?
Join na.
kayo. Yes.
At Miss Irene, there's more. We also have an exhibit and book fair happening now.
Yes.
Doon po sa ating lobby until Friday. Kasama natin dito ang ating partners such as Felta, Science Store, Book Week, Marketing, and many more.
Yes, so grabe. To sustain the excitement, we are also inviting everyone to celebrate with the whole DOST system and its stakeholders the 2025 National Science and Technology Week on November 18 to 21, 2025 with the theme Building Smart and Sustainable Communities.
At tuloy-tuloy ang advocacy ng DOST na kung saan tinitingnan natin na ang siyensya, teknolohiya at inobasyon kaakibat sa matatag, maginhawa at panatag na kinabukasan. Kaya naman ang hashtag ng DOST ay
#OneDOST for you. At para sa selebrasyon, panuuri natin itong video.
Paparating na, dumadagungdong at nag-iingay. Ang kapanapanabik at kamanghamanghang 2025 National Science, Technology, and Innovation Week. November 18 to 21, 2025. Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, Philippines. Hatid ang pinakabagong teknolohiya, produkto at inisyatiba ng pinakamalaking science, technology, and innovation community. Sa temang siyensya, teknolohiya at inobasyon, kabalikat sa matatag, maginhawa at panatag na kinabukasan. Building smart and sustainable communities. Ang taunang pagdiriwang ay katatampukan ng mga natatanging SNT exhibits, SNT forums, bazaar, science quiz and contest, SNT talks, at marami pang iba na magaganap sa iba't ibang lugar sa Ilocos Norte. Para sa karagdagang impormasyon, bisitahin ang NSTW website at NSTW Facebook page.
Yay! Kaya naman kung gusto niyong ma-witness itong ating NSTW ay pumunta po tayong lahat. Saan ba, Miss Irene?
Sa Ilocos.
Ilocos Region. Ayan.
Oh my gosh. So muli, samahan niyo kami next week sa NSTW 2025.
Now, in line with this year's theme of exploration and partnership, we now proudly launch the Library Makerspace, a creative hub that encourages innovation, collaboration, and discovery.
To give us a glimpse of this exciting initiative, please watch this special video presentation.
What if science wasn't just something you read about? What if innovation wasn't locked behind lab doors? What if you could be the maker, the creator, the innovator? Welcome to the DOST STII Library Makerspace, where science comes alive and innovation is in your hands. This isn't your typical seminar. No boring lectures, no endless slides. This is science in motion. This is innovation in action. At DOST STII Library, we've created something extraordinary, a makerspace, an interactive hub where collaboration ignites ideas, creativity fuels discovery, and research transforms into real-world impact. Here, you don't just learn about technology, you build it alongside fellow innovators, from 3D printing and design to robotics and automation. The DOST STII Library Makerspace puts the tools in your hands. You don't just hear about science, you experience it. You don't just imagine the future, you create it together. It's about you, your curiosity, your potential. We're making science accessible. We're making innovation tangible. We're turning research into reality and opportunities into action. DOST STII Library Makerspace, where every workshop is a launchpad, every participant is a change maker, and every idea sparks a revolution. Science in motion, innovation in action. One DOST for you, solutions and opportunities for all. Are you ready to make your mark?
Yes. Are you ready to make your mark, Miss Irene?
Oo nga, a very, very nice challenge, no?
A
Para
call
sa
to
ating
action
lahat.
for all of
Yes,
us.
yes.
Thank you, everyone. And indeed, the Library Makerspace embodies our vision of libraries as spaces for creativity, knowledge sharing, and community engagement.
At this juncture, we would like to inform our online viewers that we will be pausing temporarily our live stream. We will see you back this afternoon for our first session on the future of memory, safeguarding our digital heritage. But before that, we will also appreciate if you can accomplish our evaluation form for this opening ceremony. Your feedback will affirm our initiatives and help us make it even more excellent. And Ma'am Lu, kanina po maraming gustong manghingi po ng inyong presentation. So, can we? Yes, ma'am. So, okay lang po na ipadala namin sa kanila? Okay. So, sa mga, ganito po yung instruction natin, Miss Grace. So, sa evaluation link po, pwede nyo pong isulat doon yung inyong intention to get or to get a copy of the presentation para po ipadala na lang po namin sa inyo via email.
Yes, opo. And now to officially open our exhibits in celebration of LIS Month 2025, we invite our guests and officials to proceed to the exhibit area for the ribbon cutting ceremony.
Yan. Pero siguro bago yan, let's have photo op muna dito before you go up. So, one here and then one up there. Hey, sige.
Habang nandito si Yusek din po, no?
Apo.
Okay.
Yan. Sige, photo op muna tayo. We would like to request lahat po ng nandito, join us.
Yung mga matatangkad po, pwede pa po dun sa second row po, para hindi po nagpupumpul po yan po. Yan. Okay po, may dalawa pong pose tayo, formal and yung one DOST. Okay. Alright, one DOST pose. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much po. We may now proceed to the lobby or at the lobby po sa taas.